guys, in this video I'll show you how you can ping multiple devices using Excel. Ping command is a commonly used troubleshooting utility used to determine whether a remote host is active or inactive, the round trip delay in communication with the remote host, and the packet loss. So now let's look at how it works. The initiator device or the development device sends an echo request to the remote device. The ping is considered successful only if the remote device sends back an echo reply within the allotted time or the timeout period. Before going to the walkthrough, here is an example ping script. So basically, ping command requires only the host name or the host address. In Windows, the packet size, number of echo requests, and the timeout period have default values.